श्री एकनाथ गंगूबाई संभाजी शिंदे।
मी एकनाथ गंगूबाई संभाजी शिंदे ईश्वर साक्ष शपथ घेतो की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन.
Finally, the new government of Mahayuti has been formed in Maharashtra, but this time, this government will be led by Devendra Fadnavis, because he has taken the oath of Chief Minister, whereas the earlier Chief Minister or former Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has taken the oath of Deputy Chief Minister, and again we can say for the 6th time it is Ajit Pawar who have taken the oath of a Deputy Chief Minister. But last 24 hours were completely, we can say it was a complete drama which happened or which we experienced in Mumbai over here over the issue of whether Eknath Shinde will take oath of Deputy Chief Minister or not. Because what we were learning is that Eknath Shinde was quite unhappy with the portfolio allocation distribution, though it has not been done formally. But yes, the negotiations which were happening, Eknath Shinde was really not happy with the things which were going. Especially he was asking for the portfolios like urban development, home portfolio. But what we are even given to understand that the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, was really not ready to give the home portfolio to Eknath Shinde, and that's why Eknath Shinde was not happy. Then we got to know that the discussion was happening about Urban Development Department. Urban Development Department is considered as one of the important department in Maharashtra cabinet, because this particular department is responsible for developing clearing the projects which are related to the development, whether it's a residential or you can say whether it's a commercial project. So this particular department is also regarded as one of the important department, and Eknath Shinde is holding this department since 2019 till now. So in last two governments, whether it was MVA government led by Uddhav Thackeray or his own government, he was holding that particular department and he was insisting that this department he should get. But so far no assurance has been given to him. But what happened in last 24 hours is nothing, we can call it as a political drama only. First, the discussions happened, a round of discussion happened. Then Eknath Shinde basically took Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar to Governor House, where he presented a letter that a government will be formed under the leadership of Devendra Fadnavis and the Mahayuti government. Then in a press conference there was a question which was asked to him that what would be his role, and he didn't give an answer. He gave a very ambiguous answer that within the next few hours you will come to know that what role I'll be playing. And it was a very particular question which was asked to him, will you be taking oath as a Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra or not? And he didn't give a clear answer, and from that moment the speculation started running about whether he will be the next Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra or not. Then we saw the way these invitation cards got printed by all the parties. There the two names were only mentioned. One, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis, and Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra Ajit Pawar. But Eknath Shinde's name was missing, and again the speculation started that somewhere Eknath Shinde is not happy. Last late night we saw that Devendra Fadnavis had gone to meet Eknath Shinde at Varsha. A 20 to 30 minutes meeting happened. It was a very closed door meeting, and the sources indicated that Devendra Fadnavis had managed to convince Eknath Shinde that he should take the oath of Deputy Chief Minister. But again in the morning, his own MLAs who had gone to meet him said that we are trying our level best to convince Eknath Shinde to take oath as a Deputy Chief Minister, because he is the only one from our party who can take the oath, but no one else is interested to take oath or wishes to take oath of a Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. So while speaking with media also, his leaders or one of the leaders of Shiv Sena also said that we force Eknath Shinde to basically take the oath of Deputy Chief Minister because he was not ready. And that was the point when the issue of Eknath Shinde is really not happy basically cropped up. It came, and that was very much visible when Eknath Shinde was sitting on the dais while taking oath. He was not smiling, the shoulders were dropped. But after taking oath, when he met Honorable PM Narendra Modi, that time he was seen smiling and very much comfortable. So certainly, as I said, the last 24 hours were full of drama, especially the political drama, where Eknath Shinde, where the speculations were really raising high, whether Eknath Shinde will be part of this government or not, whether he will become Deputy Chief Minister or not. But finally, he had taken the oath and now he will work as a Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra in Devendra Fadnavis' cabinet. But interestingly, what portfolio he will get, which departments he will get, how many cabinet berths he will get, how many MOAs he will get, that needs to be seen, because there is no such discussion as of now has happened, or final decision has not taken place. What we are learning is after this swearing in ceremony, there will be another round of expansion of cabinet in which other ministers will also get inducted, and then only will come to know that how many portfolios Eknath Shinde has got, what department he has got, and whether he gets that urban development department, MSRDC or not. That needs to be seen.